What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got something different on deck, guys. We got the Google Pixel 8, so let's just get into it. Let's talk about it. So first and foremost, guys, y'all know I love a premium Android device. And a lot of times, especially as a secondary phone, I really like a compact device. I like to try different compact devices out, and a lot of times I try out budget compact devices. Now, this Pixel 8 is more of a mid-range compact device. It's a flagship, but not the pro version of a flagship. And a lot of times you could catch it on sale. I caught it for $5.49 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. This is a device that I've really been wanting to try out. I was thinking about trying out the Pixel 8a, but one thing about me, guys, is I'm a little bit of a display snob. So on the Pixel 8a, I noticed that it has some very big bezels, and I really wasn't interested in those bezels. And me being able to find a Pixel 8 at a price close to the Pixel 8a, I said I'm going to just go ahead and pick the Pixel 8 up. Now I know in tech years this device is very old, it's a throwback. We got a Google event next month, but I'm honestly not worried about that, guys. This is how we operating on BG Tech Life. I don't want to always operate with the wave. I don't always want to be doing iPhones and iPhone seasons and Samsungs and Samsung seasons. I don't want to do everything that everybody else is doing. So I'm kind of randomly just picking the devices that I want to pick up and try out, even if they're not the newest devices that's just rolling out right now. So I just felt like this was a very dope, premium, compact Android device for me to try out. First and foremost, I want to try out the Tensor G3. I've had the Pixel 7, Pixel 7a, and Pixel 7 Pro, and I got to know the Tensor G2 very well. I haven't had a chance to utilize the Tensor G3 and see how it performs, so we definitely going to get into that. I want to see how the battery life is on this device. Of course, it's going to be a battery test on the Pixel 8. And of course, I definitely got to take some pictures with this device and see how the cameras are hitting on the Pixel 8. Now we will be doing also a little bit of accessories on this device and things of that nature. I'll see how it go and decide on a case-by-case basis if I want to really get in the accessories on the device that's been out for this long. But this is my new compact Android device, and it's a mid-range to budget type device. Like I said, $5.49 on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. But just letting y'all know it's on the channel, it's here, we checking it out. I'm already feeling the build and the display is really good, but I have to really get into the other factors and really give y'all a real review and a real rollout of this device on my channel. I reviewed the Pixel 7 and that was a really cool device. And when I saw the opportunity to pick this device up, I said, you know what, I definitely got to try it out. And then maybe this will roll right into the Pixel 9. You never know, guys. But if you're interested in Pixel 8 coverage, make sure you hit the notification bell. If you're here watching the video and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. But just something different than the wave, guys. That's what BG is on. BG is on his own tech journey. I'm my own man. So I just really wanted to just try something different in a time when I could have went for the easy thing and see how this goes. Your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.